Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about BuddyPress Stats plugin. As all you know that managing an online community can be challenging if you don't have the right insights. As a community admin, you need to know what's working, what's not, and how much your members are engaging. And that's where this BuddyPress Stats plugin is going to help you. In this tutorial, we will explore how this plugin help you monitor, measure, and grow your BuddyPress powered community website. BuddyPress Stats gives you a clear picture of your community activity, and from tracking new members and group to analyzing friendship, messages, and all the activity posts, the plugin provide everything you need in one place. It's not just for the numbers, it's about understanding the trends and how you can also utilize that trend to boost your community engagement and make a smarter decisions there. So to get started, you just need to install this plugin, like simply purchase it and install on your new setup. Like this setup I have created using BuddyPress and our theme, rain theme. And after installing the plugin, you will get the settings under WB plugin stats. Let's quickly take a look of the general stats there. And BuddyPress stats actually provide a front-end view for members and the community admin or the community moderators to have stats of their individual profile along with the particular group stats, and to make your experience and your community like a transparent, so that all your members also know how the community is growing, how their individual profile is growing. So first of all, let's enable this profile stats setting and the available user role for profile stats. You can enable the profile stats option on some of the profile. Actually, this is great for a membership level. Like if you are using a membership plugin and you have created a multiple level, so for higher level you can enable the options, and only the higher level users members can have this stats feature like you see in the Twitter or you can say X. On that, if you purchase the premium account, then you will get the options to see your analytics, otherwise you will not get the options. And we also provide the four kind of report there, which is the activity report, engagement report, message report, and the group participation. And similarly for a group, you can enable that for the admin, moderator, or member, or you can pause for the member. It's up to you, like how you want to present in your community. And then the groups, you will have all these four kind of stats. Let's have a look for individual stats on the member profile and the groups. So the stats tab will be under the single member profile, that will be under here. It will have the activity post, like how many activity you have performed. Actually, I just perform a comment and the comment is an activity. So now you have the engagement report, how the you are engaging, how many likes received, how many likes you have done, and the message report is there. Let me do a message or just try to show you how it actually work live. Go to the activity and going to do a post. I'm going to do another comment. I'm going to send a message to a person. Let's compose. I'm going to get back to the website. On the member profile, and now you will see that stats will get updated. So now you have two comments, two activities. I have written a new message there. So, and this is the number of the groups the individual member have joined, and in those group how many comment and the post have been done. So these are the individual member stats which member can see on their profile. Similarly for the group, you can see under the group there is activity level, how many comments and the activities are there, and who done which comment or post or like, all recorded here. This is the group engagement overview. These are the inactive members. So these are the great insights for any community admin to have on their website, and for individual group, and how the overall website is performing. So let's move to the other settings what we have. So this is the overview tab. So this is the one platform. He can see registration, activity, and the groups, how many, at what rate they are growing. These are user metrics, how many users are there. These are group metrics, how many groups are there, and how many groups have which number of members, which group is increasing or decreasing. You can all see from here as an admin. And this is the graph, which is the daily graph, monthly graph. Okay, so to fill these stats you need much more data. I just created this demo with the basic data there. And for the cohort retention, like how many sign up there, monthly cohort retention rate, and engagement data, which is available in number of graphs, number of days. And this is the most interesting one, which is the profile field data. Like you will have the profile field on the individual member profile, and based on the data which they are going to fill up, you will have the report also there. So like the gender field, date of birth field, how many people have provided their birth detail, country field, from which country people are joining, and you all provide a field data. You can make them mandatory to fill that field, and so that you will have the respective data from them. Here you will have like this, the country data. You can have make it mandatory so everyone can fulfill, and you have the complete stats, what kind of members are there. So, and this is an advanced analytics report. From there you can see the user activities, and this is the number of most active member there. You can rank them 1 2 3 and already provide the different kind of numbering there. You can see this is the 455, and this advanced analytics actually help you to spam protection also. Like you can remove the member. You can see yes, he's doing the random post there, and under the user stats you can also see who have joined your community, who is online, each and every member. From there you can see the complete list. And under this you have the quick filter present also, which is actually very helpful. Like the active in last 24 hours, you have these 2 members only, and for inactive plus 30 days, like most of the members are inactive. And the best thing is that you can filter that this is our inactive members, and you can simply export this data, and you can bulk email them to get the reminder to do the perform some sort of activity, like create an email for them. So these are different tags which you can utilize to filter out the data and utilize for your community gain. And here is a complete activity log, you can see there, and you can also export all this data and utilize as per your need. So that's about the BuddyPress Stats plugin. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And so next point is how you can use these insights. Okay, for this, from after all these settings, so community managers can quickly identify inactive users, and how they can encourage participation, and how they can celebrate the milestones. Like you can see that there are the most active member, most online members are there. So you can monitor which groups are thriving, which groups need attention, and overall it helps you to maintain a healthy growing community. So this plugin is and must have for a BuddyPress site owner who want to understand, manage and grow their community effectively. And download it today from Wbcom Designs and take your community management to the next level. For more tips, tools and plugins to supercharge your WordPress community, explore Wbcom Designs.